Cash App. Afterpay lets eligible users split purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. No hidden fees if on time. Available for Cash App card spends, in-store, online, and at 100,000 plus partner stores, for example, Levi's, Sephora. Limits: $25 to $250 per transaction, based on activity and state. 18 plus U.S. residents only. Soft credit check, no score impact. Activate Open Cash App, Money tab. Look for Afterpay, under Borrow if eligible. Tap to enable, link bank or card for repayments. Set password. Visit afterpay.com or download Afterpay app. Log in with Cash App credentials. For recent Cash App card purchases, make purchase $25+ with your cash card, physical or virtual. In Activity tab, find transaction, marked Afterpay available. Tap, select Apply Afterpay, get instant refund to balance. Repay, 25% upfront, 3 bi-weekly auto debits from linked account. Enter login details. Approve in Cash App or Afterpay app. Pay 25% now, rest auto splits.